Need a mag? What's going on?
I'm rage baiting them so hard.
Oh, that's the most tactical reload I've ever seen.
Can I borrow that real quick?
This? Go for it, brother. Sorry. I'm a speed softer now.
What is up, YouTube?
All right. We need to lock in.
No, I cannot see.
So this fella's using my pistol, so I asked Preston if I could use the melee. So I'm using the melee. All right, wait, guys, we need to reunite.
Do the thing.
Do the thing.
Do the bird thing. It's so loud. Kill me. I cannot live like that anymore.
No?
Doing the bird thing.
No.
Just slay me.
Just in your ears ringing. Come on, I need to do my Jedi tricks.
Jedi trick. You will go into the front of battle. You will get killed.
You were right, the prophecy was true. I'm hit, fellas. Oh shit. Yeah, like the 1980s cop show type of pose.
Raid Shadow Legend.
Oh my god, can I watch? Let me get this gameplay footage. All right, wait, hold on. We need to like go in formation. Okay.
Formation?
Yeah, like human centipede. My hand.
Right?
Yeah, I guess I'm the front.
Yeah, you're the front though.
Human centipede! Ow!
I'll speed softer.
Fellas, cover me. Fellas, cover me. Fellas, cover me. Fellas, cover me.
Covering.
No high beams. Covering.
Covering.
Cover them. Cover each other. Cover
What's happening?
Watch left, watch left. Run.
Okay, watch right. Watch right.
One left, same team.
Oh, watch right. Yeah.
I think we need to give him a human sacrifice.
Whoa. Bang. Don't abandon me. Good. Oh. Go in there. Go in the other room over there. Hit. Oh, hell yeah. Alright.
No.
You finally got me.
Oh my gosh, bro. Seeing that in third person is so Hey, you cannot do that, man. You don't go like this.
Okay, I hit him, bro. Alright. Wait, come here. Wait.
No. I mean, like, okay. I was gonna snort that!
Ow! Dude, got me in the ass. Say your prayers.
Alright, let's play now.
I'm gonna sit down in this corner, and I'm just gonna chill.
Just gonna chill?
What are you doing to run out of ammo mid-game?
Bang. Pretty much. Bang.
Oh. Was that a lens?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, well, that's interesting.
Okay, I'm never doing that again.
Yeah, I don't do that again. I think I can replace it though.
Sorry for this doo-doo fart of a video. Next video should be better. I was just primarily having fun with the brothers instead of really playing. I'm locking in next video, I promise.